Let's talk about what to wear on the Amalfi Coast. Positano and the Amalfi Coast are vibrant, beautiful towns. Even the houses themselves are colorful. You can definitely get away with wearing fun pops of color here. I recommend a lot of dresses, two-piece sets, jumpsuits. You want to look kind of effortless, but not boring. This is the two-piece set that I was wearing. It is fantastic. Comes in 8 different colors. It's only $62. And it's great if you're only bringing a carry-on because you can mix and match the pieces as well and wear them numerous times. Comes in this style as well for only $59, and there are 10 color options for this. I have it in green, and I brought it in green and wore it in green as well. This dress I love. It's perfect for a day of just exploring. It's only $56, but it looks just like a Reformation dress. This two-piece jumpsuit I have bought in every single color that they make. It is one of my absolute favorite things I own. I get more compliments on this than almost anything else. I brought it with me on my trip in white, but I love this hot pink option for summer. If you have plans to go to Music on the Rocks, I love this for that. This would be a very fun thing to wear there. Another great jumpsuit option. This one's only $59. This is something I would wear for a travel day. Let's say we're staying in Positano and then moving to Capri with all of our luggage. You want to look decently cute while you're traveling, but still be comfortable and have something functional on for carrying your luggage. This is perfect. This dress is gorgeous. I love it for an Amalfi Coast dinner. Ribbed bodycon dresses like this are something I always pack for Europe, and I love this bright green color for summer. Also love this style because you can scrunch it up or down more, and it kind of helps hide stuff if you're bloated from traveling. I have this dress in at least 8 different colors, and it's one of the easiest things I own to just kind of throw on and go. It always looks good. I love this beach cover up for a boat day or a pool day, and also this skirt cover up. This is a good Amalfi Coast dress as well. I like the light green, the crochet, and the fringe trim at the bottom. Another great, easy to throw on day dress. And another one, I actually brought this with me 2 Positano trips ago. And then depending on time of year and weather, I don't know if you can get away with a long sleeve, but if you can, I love this. Looks kind of like Reformation, but it's only $59. If you want direct links to any of those things, go over to my profile and click this link, ckanani.com/TikTok, and then click what to wear in Italy for a link to my what to wear in Italy blog post. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more Amalfi Coast tips.